Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit and welcome back to my channel. This morning I am cheating for breakfast. I wanted IHOP, so I got IHOP yesterday, just the pancakes. I don't favor the eggs, and I'm gonna heat them up in here and make myself a couple eggs. And I have my Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser with me, so I'm gonna be making some hot chocolate in this. It's not as great as the milk frother in terms of how, frothy it gets, but it makes a good hot chocolate. And so I'll be making hot chocolate, pancakes, and eggs for breakfast. And I have dehydrated mini marshmallows, so those are gonna go in my hot chocolate. I have the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser plugged into the back of the River 3 Plus. That's one of the really cool things about this small unit, is that it has two outlets on the back, so I don't have to on it goes and it's spinning. Let me start some eggs. I hope you can hear the birds singing. I am hearing a northern cardinal. They're a really bright, pretty bird. I have my camera with the long lens around here and my binoculars. I've been ogling the birds all morning. Everything is ready. The pancakes are done. Just to scoop them out of here. They're still nice and light and fluffy and hot. So a good way to heat them up, what I did is I used a steamer basket, and this one has a removable center column so that the pancakes were able to sit flat. And yeah, so they just steamed in there, kind of like how I made my dinner last night. And yeah, so eggs are ready. Hot chocolate is ready. And in it goes some dehydrated mini marshmallows. Yeah, it says nuts.com. They make marshmallows, mini marshmallows. I am gonna sit here, enjoy my breakfast, the sound of the birds. Unfortunately, it's not a sunny day, but it's another day camping.